When German pilots met American bombers in World War II, they expected chaos. They expected fear. But what they saw left them shocked. Why? That's what we're about to uncover.
It's 1943. The skies over Europe are a battlefield. German fighters patrol, hunting bombers. Most enemy crews panic, but American bomber crews, they stayed calm, focused, almost eerily so. They didn't scatter, they didn't scream, they fought as a team. German pilots couldn't believe it. These men were disciplined, even in the middle of heavy flak and fighter attacks. Every crew member had a role. Every movement was practiced, precise. And when one plane was hit, the others adjusted, covering them, keeping formation. This teamwork was almost impossible to break. German fighters thought fear would make these men crumble. Instead, they met resistance, calculated resistance. Defensive fire from multiple gunners, evasive maneuvers executed with precision. And sometimes they even counterattacked. German pilots began calling them flying fortresses, not just because of their planes, but because of the courage inside.
But it wasn't just discipline. German pilots noticed something else: the human spirit. These crews cared for each other, encouraged each other, and stayed motivated even when facing death. Fear didn't vanish, but courage often outweighed it. This combination of skill and heart, it was deadly.
This shock had consequences. German tactics had to change. Pilots studied American formations, learned to respect their coordination. The Luftwaffe realized that defeating these bombers wasn't just a matter of shooting. It was about strategy, timing, and sometimes sheer luck.
So next time you think of the air battles of World War II, remember this: sometimes the most shocking weapon isn't a machine or a bomb. It's courage, discipline, and teamwork. American bomber crews didn't just fly, they inspired fear and respect, even in their enemies.
If you found this story fascinating, hit subscribe for more untold history from the skies of World War II.